So this is the schedule. We will start, it's a single phase election. Date of notification will be 10th of January, Friday. Last date of making nomination will be 17th of January. Scrutiny on 18th of January. Withdrawal 20th. These are the statutory periods of time which is given. Date of poll is 5th and counting is 8th, and 5th again we have very deliberately kept Wednesday. क्योंकि हम सोचते हैं सब दिल्ली वाले वोट करें, इसलिए इस बार भी महाराष्ट्र की तरह हमने इसको वेडनेसडे में रखा है. Entire election process after counting will be complete by 10th. And this is, we are doing elections in by polls also in Milkipur in UP and Erode in Tamil Nadu. Before you ask me why other by polls are not being done, let me answer it here. Save one question from you. You can ask another question. There are two constituencies in J&K which are also due for election, Badgaon and Nagarota. Because of snow conditions, we will do it later. We still have time till April. Before that, we will complete those elections. There are two more. One is Basirghat in West Bengal, parliamentary constituency, and one is Bisabadar in Gujarat MLA Assembly constituency. In both these cases, both are PC, sorry. In both these cases, there are election petitions pending, and the rule is that if a election petition is pending, we do not do by-elections there. The moment EPs are decided, we'll be ready to do it, as was the case with Milkipur earlier.
Sorry, sir, Visavadar is AC only.
Visavadar is AC only, yeah, I know. So, friends, thank you very much. With this, I come to an end of this press conference. I would request, again, before ending, it's a festival which I am sure Delhi will celebrate in true spirits, and the campaign would be clutter-free, would not make the noises which are unwarranted. I request again that let Delhi vote with full participation. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir, for this very comprehensive briefing. Now, please raise your hands and we will come for the Q&A session. Let's start with the gentleman in the first row. Please, Micah, please move. First row.
దేశ రాజధాని ఢిల్లీలో అసెంబ్లీ ఎన్నికలకు నగారం మోగింది. ఢిల్లీలో ఒకే విడతలో ఫిబ్రవరి 5న ఎన్నికలు జరగనున్నట్లుగా కేంద్ర ఎన్నికల సంఘం వెల్లడించింది. ఈసీ మీడియా సమావేశం ఏర్పాటు చేసి ఎన్నికల షెడ్యూల్ ను ప్రకటించింది. ఈ మేరకు కేంద్ర ఎన్నికల ప్రధాన అధికారి రాజీవ్ కుమార్ మీడియాతో మాట్లాడారు. 70 శాసనసభ స్థానాలున్న ఢిల్లీకి ఒకే విడతలో ఫిబ్రవరి 5న ఎన్నికలు నిర్వహించనున్నట్లు తెలిపారు. ఫిబ్రవరి 8న ఓట్ల లెక్కింపు చేపట్టి ఫలితాలను ప్రకటిస్తామంది.
का डर था, इस वजह से चुनाव आयोग ने फैसला किया है. आपकी इंटीग्रिटी पे सीधे तौर पर जो है सवाल उठाया जा रहा है. सर, एक छोटा सा सवाल और है. मध्य प्रदेश में जो अभी नतीजे हैं उसको लेके कांग्रेस पार्टी और दूसरे जो सहयोगी दल हैं उन्होंने आरोप लगाया कि जो वोटर लिस्ट में जो बदलाव हुआ था, जो मत जोड़े गए थे और जहां जोड़े गए थे वहां पे भारतीय जनता पार्टी को ज्यादा फायदा, दूसरे दलों को नुकसान हुआ. क्या कहेंगे इस पर?
Let us go to the gentleman in the third row.
सर, मैं ऋषिकेश कुमार न्यूज 24 से हूं. सर, आपने दो चीज कहा कि 2020 के बाद 24 चुनाव हुए, 16 में सिंगल राज्य पार्टी गैर बीजेपी रही. लोग ये भी पीछे पूछते हैं सर कि जहां राज्यसभा की सीटें जिन राज्यों में ज्यादा होती है वहां सबसे ज्यादा आरोप प्रत्यारोप लगते हैं इलेक्शन कमीशन पर. और दूसरा सर, महिलाओं को लेकर आपने कहा कि महिलाओं का सम्मान करना होगा. तो चुनाव से ठीक पहले दिल्ली में प्रियंका गांधी के गाल और सड़क का मामला है, तो क्या उस पर भी कुछ संज्ञान ले रही है या आने वाले वक्त में इस तरीके के बयानों को लेकर क्या देख रहे हैं?
Yes, please, Mr. Prabhu.
Good afternoon, sir. I just have 2 points to ask. First of all, thanks for explaining that entire process. It makes our life much easier. But apart from the question of, you didn't address why the rules. One is about the Aadhaar seeding with the electoral card. That's something that, initially you all had said it will not be mandatory. Now it has more or less become mandatory if you do it online. And of course, the larger process for you. You've done 31 elections. You are the best to give us advice on what are the election reforms that are required. And sadly, not much has been touched upon it. There's still the issue of, as you yourself in your presentation said, it is all numbered. So, what TN Station was famous for mixing the ballots. In the EVMs, you can't mix.